Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make 30-minute dinner rolls. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of warm milk, 1 egg at room temperature, and 1/3 cup of softened unsalted butter. Okay guys, I am going to be using a stand mixer for this recipe, but you can also do it by hand. So now we're going to add in our flour to our bowl, our yeast, our salt, and also our sugar. And all you want to do is mix that until it's well combined. Okay guys, if you have a stand mixer, you want to use your dough hook. So now I'm going to add in my egg and also my milk. Guys, make sure the milk is warm. Okay guys, now you want to set your speed at 2 for 1 minute. Okay guys, after 1 minute, we're going to add in our softened butter. And we're going to put it on speed 2 for 3 minutes. Okay guys, after 3 minutes, we're going to go ahead and transfer our dough onto a floured surface. Okay guys, I floured my surface. Now I'm going to get my dough and put it on top. Okay guys, your dough should not be wet. It should just be tacky, like that. So what I'm going to do is just place a little bit of flour on top. And I'm just going to spread it out. Okay guys, so now I have a pizza cutter, and I'm just going to go ahead and begin to make equal pieces. We're just going to cut it. You can make about 16 pieces. Okay guys, now all we're going to do is go ahead and just tuck the dough under. We're going to round and smooth it out. And then you're just going to roll it into a ball. Okay guys, we're going to do that to each of our slices of dough. Okay guys, next you want to go ahead and place your dough balls into a pan. I have mine lined with parchment paper. You're going to heat your oven to 400 degrees. And we're just going to go ahead and cover our dinner rolls up for 10 minutes until our oven heats up. Okay guys, now I uncovered my dinner rolls. I'm just going to brush a little bit of milk on top of it. Okay guys, now your dinner rolls are ready to go in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, so here are our dinner rolls. What I'm going to do is take some butter. I'm just going to brush it over top. Look how pretty they look. Nice and golden. Okay guys, so I put my dinner rolls onto a cooling rack. I just want to show you how nice and fluffy they are. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.